How to turn off app tracking on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now select Tracking. Here, you'll see a setting called Allow Apps to Request to Track. If you want to completely stop app tracking on your iPhone, simply turn this toggle off. Once disabled, apps will no longer be able to ask for permission to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. You can also manage tracking permissions for individual apps. If the main toggle is enabled, you'll see a list of apps below it. Simply turn off the toggle next to any app you don't want tracking your activity. On my device, some apps may already have tracking disabled, but you can follow the same steps to review and manage your own settings. Turning off app tracking can help improve your privacy and give you more control over how your data is used for advertising and analytics. And that's how to turn off app tracking on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips and guides.